So in this video we are going to learn about how to install Emmet in Sublime Text 3 in just 1 minute. So this is my Sublime Text and search for or press ctrl+shift+p and search for package install. So okay, package control install package, press on this option. Okay, it's installed and search for now Emmet. So this option, click on it. So it is installing, so it's installed. There are a lot of options in Emmets like Emmet Sublime, Emmet Snippet, CSS. You can install all of this. Press on it, CSS Snippet. So it's also installing. So this way you can install a lot of package. Just install package and anything you want you can install. Just search for it. So thank you for watching.